Hi, Melissa.
Hey Rebecca, what's up?
I am working with a billing coordinator who is struggling a little bit with, they've gone through all this effort to put in an invoice and they're struggling with how to make payment of the invoice easy. They really want to, they want it to be digital. They want it to happen quickly. They want it to be easy for their client. And they're kind of struggling. They've done all that work on the invoice, made the invoice nice and pretty. It adds up to the right amount. But they're struggling with how to make the payment part more smooth. Is there something that could help me with that?
Oh, totally. Yeah. Let me share my screen. So one of our big initiatives this year has been making smart payment links to go along with the invoices that you generate in LeanLaw. We've partnered with Gravity Legal to help firms just automatically generate payment links for their invoices as they make them and send them. So for instance, if I have an invoice here for John Smith for $1,000, I can email it and it's gonna show up in like his email inbox with a link to pay it. It'll look like this. You can have your firm logo, and you'll have the option to, if you want, either like allow your clients to just pay for that invoice, or if they tend to have like balance forward, you can have a balance, like a full balance payment link option. We'll include like an account summary if you'd like, so that the balance forward shows and they see like where their whole balance is coming from.
Oh,
Um,
that's awesome. I also love the clarity and the distinction of being able to pay the invoice versus the full balance. So it's great.
oh, totally. Yeah. And the payment links are designed to work really well with LeanLaw. So if I were to make a partial payment either here or in LeanLaw on this invoice and then come back to this payment link, the amount will update to reflect that. That way, if your client sends you a check for part of the balance and you enter that, they don't come home, open their email, and think that they have to pay $1,000, which is $500 more than their actual balance.
Oh, that's great. What
Yeah,
what
and
if what if a customer wants to call me and talk, kind of give me their card information over the phone? Is there an easy way to handle that?
oh, totally. Yeah, we have lots of firms who get paid like over the phone. You can just copy the payment link from LeanLaw and paste it into your browser and enter the client's card information and process the payment that way. The really nice thing
Great.
about our payment links associated with invoices is that the payments go to QuickBooks directly when the payment is made. So it'll show up on in your undeposited funds and be ready for you to match it when the actual bank deposit comes through your bank feed.
Oh,
Um,
that's great. I love
yeah,
that integration.
no, it's super great. We just are wanted to build something that just worked for law firms and what they needed.
Great. Well, thanks, Melissa. This was so great to see. I'm looking forward to sharing this billing coordinator I was talking with. Thanks so much.
Awesome. Thanks, Rebecca.